What's up, everybody? I'm Nat Metallics. I got my Boxycharm, so I'm really excited to share what I received this month. So let's start off with the card. The theme is breaking the ice. So let's get this party started. Now, when I first opened the box, I was so excited to see this product. This is a skincare product. This is from the brand Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's in a very small glass jar, and this is what it looks like. It has a very thin, watery texture. It's very liquidy, but a little bit goes a long way after you've washed, thoroughly washed your face. You apply it on the skin, and then you just go to bed. And when you wake up, you wash it off. Now, I'm rubbing it on my hand, and you can see it's very light, very clear. When I applied this product, it quickly absorbs in the skin. Your skin is going to totally drink it up. And when you touch your face, it doesn't feel dry and it doesn't feel overly moisturized. But when you look in the mirror, there is such a suppleness to the skin. It does give you a nice natural radiance. I'm very, very happy with this. I have raved on and on about this, and I haven't even gotten over what's in the card.
The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects the skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask, formulated with soothing amino-acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining ahas that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify.
I have extremely large pores, and when I applied this on my skin, I automatically saw a difference. The retail price for this is $22. I do intend to continue using this as part of my nighttime skincare routine, but I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm going on and on about this because I am so happy with this product. Not every day, but I have been using it on a consistent basis, and I am very, very happy with the results. So the next thing I see in the box is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Beaute Scarlet Dusk. It comes with a mirror. These are the shades. We have a very nice range of warm tone shades. You have 4 shimmer shades, and you have 8 matte shades. Let me read what it says on the card.
This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff.
We're gonna do a quick eyeshadow look. So I put my eye tapes on, and I'm noticing when I look in the mirror that this eye looks a little pink. I'm so sorry about that. I think when I put my makeup on, I must have poked my eye like I always do with my sponge. So again, we're about to jump into an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm gonna zoom in with you guys, so let's just ignore this. I think I'm gonna start off with this lightest creamsicle color called Sunset Rose. What a pretty name, Sunset Rose. I'm gonna tap off the excess. It is very powdery. That never bothers me. What bothers me is the lack of the color payoffs. Let's go in. So far, so good. This is a light shade. It's given off a nice amount of pigment. It is a little bit powdery, and you do get a little bit of fallout, but it has a very, very nice color payoff, and the formula is very nice. It's smooth. Back in this palette, I'm moving on to this shade. This is called Shade. That is very, very nice. All right, we're back here, and we see some fallout in the corner of my eyes. That's okay, we'll clean up later. I am looking for a brush. We need a brush. We need our brush. Okay, for the next shade, I am just going to dive into this crimson, this bright orange, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I'm very happy with this palette so far, guys. I just wanna let you know this is good quality stuff. I really, really like that orange. That is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the lower lash line. We have 2 dark shades in the palette. One is called Nocturnal, and the other is Sangria. What the hell? We're gonna mix the 2. I'm not sure how I feel about those dark shades. It's not as pigmented, but I have to say the subtleness of it kind of blends nice. I'm just going to focus on the outer part of the lower lash line. I think I am ready to try out a shimmer shade. There is a shimmery orange shade in the palette called Hibiscus. I'm not gonna wet the brush. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. I'm gonna also bring it in on the lower inner corners. I'm gonna take a overall fluffy brush and just blend everything together. This is the eye look that I came up with. I like the quality of the shadows. I love the shade range. Not only do you have very bright orangey, warm tone shades, but you also have a nice selection of pink and berry tone shades. And you also have some lighter shimmers. Let's go with this shade called Aruba. This looks like a champagne shimmer shade. Just apply it in the inner corner. My only con is that I did expect the darker shades just to have a little bit more pigment, but they do blend nice with the other shades. So the next product in the box is a mascara. This is from Grand Cosmetics. This is called the GrandeDRAMA Intense Thickening Mascara. The card, it says,
designed by the maker of cult favorite Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Grand Cosmetics introduces the high secret weapon for lashes that command attention. GrandeDRAMA Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. The no-flake intense black formula works while you wear it, creating unrivaled thickness through key ingredient castor oil.
So this has castor oil in it. That's interesting because castor oil is supposed to be known to help your hair thicken and grow. It's a pretty big, bulky mascara. Let me compare this. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and this is the one that we got from Grand Cosmetics. So this retails for $25. Well, I'm gonna open this up just to show you guys up close what the brush looks like. It does look a little clumpy, but the brush is nice and big, and it does have a little indent in there. And let's hope for the best. The formula, I would say it leans a little more on the drier side than a wetter formula. I'm putting several coats and it's already fully dry. So if I continue to add more coats, I feel like it's gonna clump up. It's okay. I would appreciate a little bit more length. I just used this on my lashes here after applying this mascara, and I do see more length. But I don't think this is a mascara that you can continue to build up. I feel like the formula dries very fast. If you continue to apply more product on top of it, it's going to clump up. It does a nice job to comb through the lashes, and it does give a little length. It's particularly nice on the lower lash line as well. I will use it, but it's not my favorite. And the next product is from Wander Beauty. This is the Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. These are the shades.
Prepare for the perfect getaway with a Trip for Two. The soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blend seamlessly onto the skin, deliver a naturally glowing complexion. Add buildable warmth and a flush of color to the skin with this long-wearing sun-kissed duo made with a hydrating blend of mango seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten. Very nice. Enriched with lotus flower and buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
I'm getting older, guys, so I will gladly accept any product that's gonna help with fine lines and wrinkles. The regular retail price is $36. You get a bronze shade called Tulum, and there is a pinky blush called Daiquiri. Already looking at it, I'm like, this is way too pink for me. Formula is very smooth. It does feel very smoothing. They do swatch very nicely. I don't know about that blush, guys, and I don't think that blush is gonna go with this eye look. We're gonna try out this bronzer really quick. Can you help me out, guys? I don't see anything. Do you see anything? I see a little something. And it does look very nice on camera, but when I look in the mirror, I don't see anything. One thing I can say so far about the bronzer is that it does blend very nice. It is a very nice formula, but for me personally, I think it's too light. I can use this when I'm trying to pull a look together that's natural looking, where I'm very, you know, minimal with the products I use. I'm sure it'll come up a lot more nicer and pigmented if you're a little lighter than me. I really don't want to use this blush, guys. I really don't want to use this blush, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna do it. What the hell? We gotta live a little, right? The blush shade, again, is called Daiquiri, and it's this very pink. Ooh, I don't like pink blush. So I'm putting some on the brush here, and it doesn't look too dark. That could be a good thing. It is a little bit more muted than what I expected. In the pan, it really does look bright, but when you put it on, it's not as bright and out there. The formula is nice in this palette. I'm not happy with the shade ranges they gave to me, but again, with Boxycharm, you never know what you're gonna get. The quality of the palette is nice, I have to say. And we are reaching the last item. So this is a highlight from Too Faced called Diamond Light. This is the box that it comes with. I think this is so freaking cute. Look how cute is this. It says, "It's your time to shine." Now this is the actual product here, and the shade is Canary Diamond. It's like a little jewelry box. You press the little button, and this is the shade we get here. I do like the products I'm getting in this Boxycharm so far, but I don't know what's up with the shade range they're sending me. In person, it comes off iridescent on the pink berry glittery side. It's very glittery. This is the swatch here on my finger. Let's see if you guys can see it. That's the swatch there. But I'm telling you guys, this is glitter. Glitter. I don't like that. If it's a subtle glitter, okay, but this is, I am ready for the disco. I'm ready for Studio 54. Like, we are going all out tonight, and my club days are far over. But for the sake of the video, I am going to ruin my face, and I'm gonna apply this highlight. But before I do that, let's read from the card. Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter.
This one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant, fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling the dual-tone opalescent shades together to create an ethereal, custom glow all on its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond.
This retails for $36. And I'm not wetting the brush. I'm a little nervous. Let's do this, Natalie, and just focus it. Ooh, there's glitter flying everywhere. I do see a mixture of gold and pinkish shimmer and glitter. I don't like the glitter. I will not be using this product. It is way too glittery for me, and I have so much texture on my skin. The last thing I need is glitter to, you know, draw the eye to my imperfections. So the quality is there, but the shade, not for me. That glitter is definitely not for me. However, this packaging, guys, this packaging is everything. Look how freaking cute is this. It even has the Too Faced logo when you open it. I mean, I think that's just so cute. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next month's Boxycharm video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified of my future videos. So if I made you laugh a little bit, click that like button below. Don't forget to click here to check out some of my other videos, including my comic book channel. I will see you guys later. Bye.